snore. If you have allergies, this is a game changer.
Snoring can lead to daytime fatigue, morning headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Even worse, it may be a sign of sleep apnea, which can increase the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. That's where MagnaStrips come in. These innovative magnetic nasal strips gently open your nasal passages, allowing you to breathe more freely and easily while you sleep. By reducing snoring and improving airflow, MagnaStrips help you get the deep, restful sleep your body needs to recharge and stay healthy. MagnaStrips use cutting-edge magnetic technology to comfortably support your nasal passages throughout the night. This means you'll snore less, breathe better, and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Click shop now below to get your pair of MagnaStrips and get better sleep today.